In 1957, a 15-year-old boy arrived in Aden, Yemen, with exactly 0 rupees in his pocket and a burning hunger nobody could measure. Today, his son controls a company worth over 19 lakh rupees crore, employs 4 lakh Indians, and owns the most expensive private home on earth, a 27-floor skyscraper worth 15,000 crore rupees. That boy was Dhirubhai Ambani. This is how it actually happened. Dhirubhai was born in Chorwad, a tiny Gujarat village with no electricity and no running water. His father earned 12 rupees a month as a school teacher. 12 rupees. That's less than one samosa today. At age 15, with no degree and no connections, Dhirubhai sailed to Yemen and took a job pumping petrol for 300 rupees a month, and that, right there, is where the obsession with business began. By 1958, Dhirubhai noticed Arabs obsessing over Indian rupee coins because the silver content was worth more than the coin's face value. He bought rupees, melted them legally, and sold the silver for profit. At 16 years old, he had discovered arbitrage, a strategy hedge funds charge millions to understand today. He returned to India in 1958 with 50,000 rupees saved and one unstoppable idea. In 1966, Dhirubhai launched Reliance Commercial Corporation from a 500-square-foot Bombay office with just 2 employees, himself and a cousin. His first product? Polyester yarn. Boring, right? Wrong. He undercut every competitor's price, reinvested every single rupee back into growth, and by 1977, just 11 years later, Reliance went public. 58,000 ordinary Indians became shareholders overnight. The stock returned 4,000% in a decade. Then came the betrayal that almost destroyed everything. After Dhirubhai died in 2002, leaving no written will, his 2 sons, Mukesh and Anil, went to war over a 1 lakh rupees crore empire. The split in 2005 shocked India. Anil got entertainment, telecom, and finance. Mukesh kept all, petrochemicals, and refining. Most analysts said Anil won. They were catastrophically wrong. Within 15 years, Anil's empire collapsed to near zero. Mukesh's multiplied 20 times. In 2016, Mukesh made the single greatest corporate gamble in Indian history. He invested 1.5 lakh rupees crore, that's $150 billion, into Jio, a telecom network offering free data and calls when every competitor charged 250 rupee per GB. Within 6 months, 100 million Indians signed up. Within 3 years, Jio had 400 million subscribers. India's average data cost crashed 95%. India became the world's largest mobile data consumer overnight. The disruption was total. But here's what biographies won't tell you. Mukesh runs on 3 habits that would embarrass most of us. First, he wakes at 5 a.m. and reads industry reports for 90 minutes before any meeting. Second, he never makes a decision without a written data brief. Every instinct is verified with numbers. Third, he reinvests obsessively. Reliance has reinvested over 8 lakh rupees crore back into Indian infrastructure since 2010. Discipline compounds like interest. Every single day. So what does this mean for you, sitting in India right now, maybe struggling, maybe just starting? This, Dhirubhai had less than you. No internet, no smartphone, no YouTube, no free courses, no geodata, no UPSC coaching on your phone. He had 0 rupees, a petrol pump job, and a notebook full of ideas. The gap between you and a 1 crore rupees net worth is not money. It's the moment you stop waiting for permission and start executing. The farmer's son who pumped petrol for 300 rupees a month built a 19 lakh rupees crore empire, not because India was easy, but because he refused to accept the story he was born into. Your postcode is not your destiny. Your starting salary is not your ceiling. If this story lit something inside you, subscribe and hit the bell right now. We drop life-changing money facts every single week that your school never taught you.